have dry/sensitive skin, I have hand selected 4 items I think that you will love to as an introduction to professional skincare. Now let's start with the cleanser. The Clean and Gentle cleanser is this guy. It is a gel cleanser and it smells ever so lightly of, I guess that's citrus. It's just a very light smell. All of my cleansers have very light smells. They are crowd pleasers. They've been tested in years and years in my treatment room. Clients love the smell of this. This is a gel cleanser. This is going to take off even your eye makeup. And I love this about this. This is my oldest sister approved, and she's a tough cookie too. She's about 6 years older than me, and she's a real tough cookie to please. So she even loves this cleanser. So this is a very nice rinses clean cleanser, but will not over dry the skin. It's pH balanced the skin, professional grade. Lovely, lovely cleanser. So at night, you're going to cleanse twice, and then you'll want to start out your nighttime routine. And we're keeping this simple. And so then I would go in with some vitamin C. So this is also my brand, Triple C plus Gold formula. This is 3 different types of vitamin C. This is great for sensitive skins because it's not all L-ascorbic and sensitizing. So this is about as much as you need for the entire face. You're going to do this morning and night. A lot of people make the mistake of using vitamin C just once a day. No, we're going to use it twice a day so we get the maximum effects of brightening, collagen synthesis, and protecting the skin from the elements, right? So we'll do this. This is lovely. Add some nice hydration. Now, if you have really dry skin, that would be your next step. After this, you could either do an ampule or some other layer of hydration. And then your last step is going to be the Neogenesis Intensive Moisturizer. This is one of their star products. This is a great introduction into really high-tech professional grade skincare. This has 5% of their S2RM technology, which is the stem cell-based technology, so you get a little taste of that skin-boosting stem cells. Really, I just love this line. It's great for sensitive and dry skins. And so that would be your morning routine. If you have a sunscreen you love, you would put this on afterwards at the very end. About once per week, I would suggest, and this comes with the hand-selected kit, is an enzyme for sensitive skins, for dry skins. I love enzymes. Why? Because they don't eat live tissue, so you're not going to get the peelies and you're not going to look crazy, but you will look finely exfoliated and beautiful. This mask is chock full of papaya and pumpkin enzymes. It also brings down redness. It's anti-inflammatory, and so the best way to use this, I would say once a week, twice a week max if you have a lot of buildup, but you're going to put this on a very thin layer from the hairline to the breastbone. You're going to let it dry down completely, and then you wash it off. And then at that point, I would put on your intensive moisturizer and call it a night, call it a day, whenever you're doing the exfoliation. Once a week, you would do your enzyme.